Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is she has a bitter tongue. She has a bitter tongue. उसकी कड़वी ज़बान है. Second, sometime we have to speak lie. Sometime we have to speak lie. कभी कभार हमें झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. 3. As if you are my servant. As if you are my servant. जैसे कि तुम मेरी नौकर हो. 4. He has a very bad mentality. He has a very bad mentality. उसकी बहुत गंदी सोच है. 5. Lay the mat on the floor. Lay the mat on the floor. कालीन फर्श पर बिछा दो. 5. Are you getting in my point? Are you getting my point? क्या आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? Don't try to put off the matter. 6. Don't try to put off the matter. बात को टालने की कोशिश मत करो. 7. Forget everything that happened. Forget everything that happened. जो हुआ उसे भूल जाओ. 8. I'm passing my good time. I'm passing my good time. मैं अपना वक्त अच्छा गुजार रहा हूँ. 9. I empathize you. I empathize you. मैं तुम्हारी हालत समझता हूँ. The last one is 10. The dish is overcooked. The dish is overcooked. सालन जल गई है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.